Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to her, "Did not you see when your people constructed the Kaaba, they decreased it from the foundations led by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam? I said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, won't you build it on the foundations led by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If it had not been extremely brief period since your people renounced infidelity, I would have done so." Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, if Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha heard it from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then I think this is the reason that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam abandoned to kiss, touch with respect these both pillars which are close to the black stone for Allah's house, was not lifted up on the foundations led by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1583.